Halo guys, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Shania Kizanda Putri. My matric number is 368279. I'm come from NUSANTARA group and I will tell you about Harrington Emerson. Okay, first, business leader or personal details. Harrington Emerson, 2 August 1853 until 2 September 1931, was an American efficiency engineer and business theorist who founded the management consulting firm Emerson Institute in New York City in 1900. Okay, second, history and definition theory. In 1900, Emerson founded the Emerson Institute in New York City to focus on his work as an efficiency engineer. Through his activity at the American Society of Mechanical Engineers, Emerson became acquainted with the work of Frederick Whittler, which he then tried to implement in his work. Emerson is noted to have made a system of recognizing the engine and repairing railway locomotives efficiently. This work received much praise from the Railroad magazine and Engineers magazine at that time. Okay, in addition, Emerson has success in developing a payroll system that was widely accepted by the industry at the time. Emerson's efficiency method has been applied in various organizations such as shopping center, hospital, college, and government. Emerson stated that labor, productivity, and stress are completely different concepts. If an employee is working hard, it means that he is doing his best. And to work productively, you must make the small effort. And manager's goal is to minimize effort and maximize result. According to Emerson, efficiency is the maximum achievement with minimal effort.
Okay, now we are going to talk about the 12 key performance principles by Harrington Emerson. It's about productivity and efficiency. So number one is set the right goals. It means like working in a team and doing any job. It is important that everyone has the right goals and objective. Number two is common sense. The head is obligated to exclude from his work every emotion, must analyze the production process only from the point of view of common sense. This is will help draw the right conclusion. So in this point, it means like we have to think more to get the best choice. Okay, next, the number three is about competent advice. Good and competent advice is needed for all problems that arise in the production and management process. The only opinion that is truly competent is that of collegiality. Number four is discipline and order. All participants in the production process must follow the production and comply with established rules. It means, for the example, is we have to go to the class on time. Number five is fair and impartial employee treatment. Every manager must treat his employee fairly, not choosing anyone but also not bullying anyone. Number six is fast, accurate, complete, and continuous accounting. This principle allows management to receive in time all the necessary and most complete information about their employees and their production process, which allows them to make decisions quickly. Number seven is planning and giving clear orders. Thanks to the principles, a manager can clearly and quickly manage and coordinate the work of the entire workforce. Number 8 is principle and schedule. Applying this principle can highlight all the shortcomings of the production process and minimize all damage caused by this shortcoming. Number 9 is adjustment of working condition. For an employee, such working conditions should be created in the company where the result of his activities will be maximized. Number 10 is restriction of work operation. Using this principle, the amount of time required to each operation is determined, as well as the order in which it is coming out. Next is number 11, standard written instruction. In production, certain instructions and rules regarding the order of performance of various work must be corrected in writing. And the last is performance awards. Within the framework of this principle, it is stipulated that every employee must be rewarded for a job well done, so that his work productivity will continue to increase. So this point is mean if I'm a manager and I have an employee, if they have doing a good job, so I can give him a reward. And the next point is about the benefit of this management theory. Today, Harrington Emerson principle of enhancing performance have been very successful in industrial entrepreneurs. This principle have been used by leading leaders for years to increase employees' efficiency. In 1910, there was a dispute between the LCD and the cargo carrier. LCD claims that it has a very high weight cost and wants to raise rates. However, Harrington Emerson was able to prove that using a very scientific method, a railroad company could reduce.
And then criticism of management of his theory. Harrington Emerson's theory with its 12 management principles will be difficult to apply and takes time to adjust, because not all managers and employees are able to apply such performance principles instantly, not to mention the various obstacles such as understanding employee behavior and character and the problems and process faced. So that this efficiency theory can be inefficiency for some companies. In the book, Emerson does not explain how to take steps to apply each of these principles. Emerson also did not explain how to combine the application of the 12 principles in a company so that the 12 principles can be applied synergistically in the field. With these considerations, some suspicion arise that, as was written by Penn State University Library regarding Harrington Emerson's biography, that the writing of the book 12 Principles of Efficiency was also motivated by Emerson's efforts to promote his ideas of efficiency, which would later lead to the use of Emerson's Institute's service as a consultant for those who want to apply the efficiency principle in their company. Conclusion: good productivity can determine good results. And then, on the production process, workers who complete the same thing within the allowed time can be credited with 100% efficiency. And then, to establish the principles of productive and efficient performance, it is not enough to understand the existing theory, but also need good implementation from both managers and employees. Thank you.